Hi everyone, I'm Tom, and we're excited to be back at Computex 2022. Over the years, Azza produced some truly iconic computer cases that have redefined the look of a PC. This year's Computex lineup is no different, and we have plenty of awesome products, starting with this concept case, the 810 Tower, made in collaboration with AK Mods, one of the most sought-after modders in the world. Our engineering team has spent months with AK, and we are finally proud to unveil this vertical ATX case with a futuristic architectural design style, a brushed aluminium top, and tempered glass side panel. It's got plenty of airflow thanks to the front and rear metal meshes, and roomy enough for 400mm graphics cards and up to a 360mm radiator for water cooling, and a full ATX power supply. The 810 is the latest addition to our unlimited line of cases. Next up is our answer to the need for great cooling with the LEGIONAIRE 470, a well-ventilated case allowing for your system and graphics card to really breathe with its iron mesh side panel, and room for those long graphics cards up to 400mm. The LEGIONAIRE 470 fits ATX or eATX motherboards, features a full mesh front panel, and comes with 4 pre-installed ARGB fans which you can control with the reset button. The controller also syncs with the motherboard, so you can match the fans with your motherboard software. With 9 fan locations, including 2 on the power supply shroud, it supports 280 and 360mm AIO coolers at the front and 240 and 280mm radiators up top. Next is the AERO 480, our upcoming ATX mid-tower that has a metallic front accent and a full mesh front intake, along with an iron mesh side panel for tons of air for your GPU. It fits ATX, eATX and smaller boards, supports long GPUs of up to 400mm in length, and comes with 4 ARGB Symphony fans pre-installed. Compatibility-wise, the AERO 480 supports 280 and 360 radiators in the front. The lighting can be changed by hitting the reset button or synced with your motherboard software too. Both the Azza LEGIONAIRE and the AERO will be out later this year. The original 804 case continues to be one of our most popular cases. We've now improved the airflow with the Pyramid 804 mesh, which still has the iconic pyramid design with a sturdy CNC milled aluminium frame. The new version offers full mesh sides, allowing heat dissipation through all sides for terrific ventilation. It's big enough for ATX and eATX, with USB 3 and USB-C up front. Horizontal and vertical GPU mounting is possible. Just check the size of your GPU before you buy. And the Hurricane 3 fan pulls hot air up and out of the top. Turning the standard box concept on its side, the REGIS is a luxurious ATX cube case with gold trims, a rotated and elevated presentation that integrates an ARGB infinity mirror at the front panel. With 3 tempered glass panels, the vibrant lighting connects to a controller that can sync your motherboard, and the cube is supported by a CNC milled aluminium stand. The REGIS supports dual 240 or 280 radiators with removable brackets to make installation simpler, and can take GPUs up to 336mm in length, leaving enough room for 2 SSDs and a hard drive. Angular and futuristic, it's going to be something you'll enjoy looking at long after you finish your build. Giving you a space-age look and lots of options with both vertical and horizontal positions is our OPUS case. The aluminium CNC cup frame supports 4 tempered glass panels, which are tinted black for a high-end look and offer a 360-degree view of the system. These panels can be removed for quick access with toolless mounts. Ventilation is no problem, with massive openings top and bottom, along with lots of side openings, to make sure everything stays cool. Up to 360mm long triple-slot GPUs are supported, with a PCIe 4.0 riser cable included, starting in Q3. And the fan bracket holds 3 standard fans or a 360mm AIO cooler. A canvas for your ideas. The cast 808M has a super clean aesthetic with a completely removable outer shell for easy installation. With a solid or swappable front mesh, your build in the interior chassis slides onto the case exterior. The top and bottom closes like a clamshell, with space for showing off your graphics card. Up to 360mm graphics cards in normal or vertical are supported, and 1 Hurricane 3 fan is included at the rear, with spots for 3 fans up front. Slapping 3 more extra fans in the front can give a super beautiful glow around the front edges. Coming in black or white, the cast 808M is perfect for graphic prints or a custom paint job to express your creativity. A micro ATX case with a tempered glass side, the Azza ELISE provides options for hanging your gaming headset right up front, along with a display stand too. These both adjust to whatever position works best with the peg hole front design. Still spacious inside, it can take up to 340mm GPUs, and the top I/O has a dual USB 3.0 next to the magnetic dust filter. One ARGB fan is included along with a controller that can motherboard sync, and this supports 3 120 fans in the front and 2 up top, which can handle a 240 or 280 radiator there, and the front can also take a 240 or 280mm AIO also. With these next cases, you can pick the case front that you want. The ECLIPSE has a half-moon design with this angular front and one included ARGB fan. The HIVE has a honeycomb front with full mesh and one ARGB fan at the back. And the OCTANE A has 2 versions, but we're only showing this version at the show, and it comes with 3 ARGB fans up front. All these ATX cases come with an ARGB controller that can sync, with space for 360mm GPUs and 3 fans in front and up top, or a 240 AIO there, and the front can handle a 280 or 360mm radiator. Our SPECTRA case is a more compact mid-tower with this unique ARGB lit crosshatch front, and this ATX case comes in black and this white. GPU lengths up to 290mm are supported, and the LED button controls the case lighting. And we've got a few products for water cooling, starting with the beautifully designed Blizzard SP 240 and 360. The Blizzard SP features a low-profile 3200 RPM pump with rotatable diamond-cut ARGB infinity mirror-covered housing. The 240mm and 360mm radiators include a square fin pattern that improves heat dissipation and are paired with Azza's Hurricane SP Digital 120mm PWM ARGB fans. The Blizzard SP series is currently available in Europe. The GALEFORCE 120, 240 and 360 are entry-level AIO water coolers from Azza. These have infinity mirrors in the radiator fans for a unique RGB effect with a more standard fan shroud designed to run ultra-quiet at 27 decibels at 650 to 1800 RPM. The CPU pump with a speed of 2600 RPM also has an infinity mirror design with ARGB accents. A really cool way to customize your build is with our Hurricane 3 ARGB fans, the sides of which fully light up. You can grab a set of our custom sleeved black and gold or white and silver cables depending on your case theme. And of course you need to power your rig, and we've got you covered. To make your power supply really stand out, we've got the 750 watt 80 plus bronze ARGB model which really lights up your case. We also offer a more typical 750 watt 80 plus bronze and up to a fully modular 850 watt 80 plus gold supply for those power hungry GPUs. So I hope I gave you some ideas for your next build. Be sure to visit our website at azza.gg for full specs on all the goods we showed you today. And thanks for watching.